Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The nature and scope of sociology. The sociological perspective casts a light that enables you to gain a new vision of social life. It provides a different way of looking at life and provides an understanding of why people behave the way they like. Seeing the broader context of social life involves looking at first the social location of people, their culture, social class, gender, religion, and education. Secondly, the relationship of one group to another, and thirdly, the external influences that are internalized and have become part of one's thinking and motivations. Foundation of sociology. Sociology emerged about the middle of 19th century when social observers began to use scientific methods to explain social phenomena. There are three assumptions that explain the foundation of sociology. The first is that human behavior allows a pattern or order similar to the patterning of natural phenomena. This assumption claims that one has to observe the everyday activities of his fellows to determine that certain facts are performed in a more or less the second factual basis. Sociology is that man is a social creature. With this context, man has a natural tendency to associate himself in groups, and because of association, social phenomena occur as a product of cause and effect relationship. Sociology grew out of social upheaval. The first cause of this social upheaval was industrial revolution, the French Revolution, and then the Renaissance movement and modernization. Now let's come toward the definition of sociology. It's been derived from two different words, socius means companion or society, and from the Greek word logos, which means study. So from this kind of word, it can be concluded that sociology is the study of society and human behavior. The concern of sociology is not only to identify social phenomena but also to identify the cause of occurrence of these phenomena and the delivery of the long-term solution to the same. Under positive perspective, it is not ambitious to claim that sufferance could be reduced through the study of sociology. Sociology and other social sciences. Sociology is defined as the scientific study of society and human behavior. As a science, systematic methods are used to obtain knowledge. Natural sciences versus social sciences. The natural sciences attempt to comprehend, explain, and predict events in our natural environment. The social sciences examine human relationships and attempts to objectively understand the social world. Sociology has many similarities to other social sciences. First, like political scientists, sociologists study how people govern one another, especially the impact of various forms of government on people's lives. Secondly, like economists, sociologists are concerned with what happens with the goods and services of society, but sociologists places their focus on the social consequences of production and distribution. See, like anthropologists, sociologists study the culture and have a particular interest in the social consequences of material goods, group structure, and belief system, as well as in how people communicate with one another. Like psychologists, sociologists are also concerned with how people adjust to the difficulties of life. Sociology is different from other social sciences. First, unlike political scientists and economists, sociologists do not concentrate on a single institution. And unlike anthropologists, sociologists focus primarily on industrialized societies, while many anthropologists remain focused on trivial societies. And unlike psychologists, sociologists stress factors external to the individual